Yo, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It is Monday, as you can see. Okay, never mind. So it's a Monday, 3rd of November. And today was actually a very good day. I didn't expect to trade on Monday, but ultimately price gave me a proper setup. So why wouldn't I trade? So I feel like I'm gonna make do without that rule because I think it was too harsh and too strict. Whereas price could not move for the whole week and then end up moving the Friday. You never know. All we gotta do is just show up to the markets every day and just see what price is giving us. So, and I was kind of confused because also side traded on Mondays based on this TradeZilla that he would show. So it's like, okay, I guess you can trade every day. Well, not every day, but any day is a day if you have a setup. So let's just hop into the charts and then just see what GER30 did, and I'll just break down what I saw. And I missed this A plus setup, bro. Like I missed it because I was at work, and it's like fuck. I didn't put an alert there, because I thought price was gonna push down, but it's like, but it wouldn't break structure for no reason. But that's the point. Like when you're at work, I still have to get that nailed into my brain. Because I did see it, like you see, I put this at this, it's move up, move down, so that's a high low, lower high, sorry, and then price didn't end up not moving down. So as you can see, I set this level of sellers because it pushed it down. So I thought it was gonna continue pushing down because here was a level of sellers here, as you can see. But then price started having major rejections, and then come New York session started pushing down. So I thought, okay, price is going to eventually keep selling off because it did indicate below this level, and I had an alert here. Now for it just to spike to the upside, bro. Like look at that Drake candle, look at that glorious candle, bro, and look at this risk reward. Would have been a 104 clean. I would have targeted the 104, but I think I wouldn't have known where to target actually, because I just would have targeted a 104, because price, I mean, I could have held this trade, to be fair. I literally could have held this trade till here. I think I could have, but then it was like it was already too late. So if I go to the 5 minute, that's where I would have gotten my entry. Entry would have been glorious. Sniper entry. Sniper entry. Oh my god, no, what are you doing? Okay, so is this thing still recording? Okay, it is. So price came, so it was London session. It was just pushing down. Then it just had a spike to the upside. Just broke the structure here. Close. I'm like, okay, this is the indication I'm looking for. Push down a bit, but I would have entered off of this 5 minute candle closing. Push down, and then buyers just kicked in. Like heavy, bro. Heavy. And it's like, bruh, why didn't I see this? Ish, bruh, I wish I saw this. If I had the charts open the whole time, if I'm being honest, or if I had like the pro account, I would have, but I can't keep going based off ifs. It didn't happen, so at least I saw it. But I did learn one thing, is that you could trade essentially any day as long as the setup is there. It's up to you, man. So damn, look at that. So I was like, okay, cool. I was gonna look for a re-entry. Go on. So as you can see here, I had anticipated that price was going to eventually meet a level of sellers to push it down. It can't just be blue candles all the way up, like that's impossible. So I was waiting for it to push down, give us that lower high or higher low, sorry, and then I would have entered off of that hourly candle closing. So once this candle closed on the, and this was like around 6, so I was traveling home that time, so I think around 7 I got home. But I was like, okay, I'm tired for the day. I showed my brother the trades that I took, and yeah, I just completely forgot, if I'm being honest. But I wasn't so focused because I already knew I'm in another trade that I'm still holding right now. I got in very early in the morning, like around, what time is it? Like around 6 a.m. Yeah, it was like 3 hours before session. GER30 is back to normal trading hours. It's no longer what you call it, it's no longer daylight savings time. Yes. So I would have entered off with this, and then look, it would have had a little bit of drawdown, put my stop loss there, targeted. This would be like a 105, almost a 105. Actually, I could actually make it a 105 if I'm being honest, and just put it just above this level. You see. So now, reason why I would have entered is because, like, okay, price already was at high low. Now it needs to start pushing up. So yeah, that's essentially it. Like that would have been my second entry, but I missed it. So I could still get in, but it's like, nah, I want to position myself in a better place. I mean, I could get in here, but then the problem is price might just push down and give us a lower high and then end up selling off. So I was like, not really. I'm not really trying to chase this trade. I never want to do that. Like, I want the trade to come to me, the setup to come to me. Like, this setup came to me, but I just unfortunately wasn't looking at the charts at the time. So it's like, it is what it is, man. So yeah, so this trade is probably gonna play out and hit TP. But if it hits TP, then I know, because I've been trying to gather data based off how to trade like this. If I just miss, let's say the indication is that correction is done, it's not gonna really correct all the way down here to this level, because that was also my thing. Was like, this should be like an A+ setup, but it doesn't really have to be an A+ setup like this. I mean, if it does happen, it indicated, right? This was the A+ setup actually. Indicated not too far, and then it dropped, gave us that high low, then started pushing up, then closed above this level. So on the 5 minute and 15 minutes. So essentially this would have been an A+ setup, but this is not the indication. The indication was here. Like Sai did say, the indication doesn't have to be so big. It can be as long as it's an indication, whether it's big or small, it still counts. So this was like a small indication, then it dropped and then just started pushing up, and I was like, damn, I could have taken this trade, bro. I could have taken this trade, but it's okay. We'll just see how price plays out. We see in tomorrow's video how price played out here, and then yeah, let's look at another pair. Gold. Hey, bro, gold. Hey, bro. Hey, me, I don't know, bro. I don't know, like, what the fuck gold's doing. I think it's ranging now, if I'm being honest. Because, I mean, it did indicate above this level, right? Push down, give us a low, started pushing up, indicated, corrected, then came back above this level. So I entered somewhere here around like New York session, and then I was in profits, and then it just started dropping. It almost hit my stop loss, and then it ended up hitting the stop loss. So I was like, fuck, okay, it is what it is. I guess price on gold does not want to move. It's just really choppy, but it is what it is, man. It's fine. So I'm kind of gonna put that on the back burner. I'm not really gonna trade that so much this time. Gold has just been so unforgiving to me, bro. Like, I don't understand, bro. Like, I really don't understand. Like, it's just so unforgiving. Like, it just does not want me to win. Like, no matter where I set my stop loss, it just takes it out. And when the up proper set out, when I'm like, you know what, let me take a break from looking at it. And then it decides to play out properly. So I was like, yeah, man, I can never really get a break. The ones that really support, okay, GER30 rocks me, but it doesn't rock me as hard as gold, bro. Like, I'm being honest. Like, gold really rocks me, and it's like, at this point, it feels personal. But other pairs like UK100 respects structure, bro. Like, look at this. So this is with the trade I entered like around 6 a.m. Yeah, I entered off of this candle. Then I was in drawdown for a bit because it was below a level of buyers. Remember, it indicated here. Then it started correcting. So I thought, okay, it kind of did break above this level, this lower high, but then ultimately it still came and closed below this level. So I was like, okay, nah, it just indicated, it started pushing up and not having so much rejection to the upside. So, and it was very aggressive in the morning. Like, look at that, look at this candle. This one this week, it's just started pushing to them. So okay, the reaction I'm getting is telling me that price wants to be bearish still. And plus there's still a lower high from this, so I'm like, okay, nah, price is not really, it should just continue moving up, but it didn't. So I entered here and I just held for the whole day. So now it almost got to my TP, like with this candle, like it almost did. So it started pushing up, almost lower highs. A new low. Now it's pushing up, so I'm expecting it because needed to give us that lower high still, because it was just bearish the whole day, red candles the whole day. So price is at almost at my TP, and this will ultimately put me a break. Oh, it'll put me $10 up on a day. Like, I won't lie, because all the trades that I was taking on nasdaq and gold, they just rocked me, bro. So it kind of charted my profits, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. US30, I didn't see anything. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at. This price action looks like garbage, bro. But I mean, it is on a downtrend, but like this, this is bad price action, bro. Even like, yeah, I wanted to take it below this level because it indicated push down. So I guess the third time it didn't want to really push down, and it just started rejecting. It just started moving up. So you see, there's a level of sellers here indicated. There's that high low, started pushing up, but see, it's out of session. So what time was this? 4 o'clock. Yeah, that was like New York session, but yeah, these pairs, bro, I don't know. They just really, like, they're not giving me anything, but so far so good on these ones. GER30. If this candle closes red in the next hour or so, like, then I guess price is going to continue selling. Because it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to keep moving up now, because it really gave us that high low. And it just needs to stop pushing up. If it closes, then it's just gonna keep moving down. So if it closes red, then we could expect sales back down to this level with this buyers here. There's also buyers here, but yeah, we remove that. So yeah, man, that's basically it. Not much else to say. What time is it? I need to actually get to work on something, another project that I have. I need to make more TikToks. And yeah, it's actually a good day overall. I'm just waiting for price to do what it needs to do. I just want my TP to get hit. I've been holding this trade because I did hold this trade from last week, pushed down and started moving up. It closed, market closed when it was at my entry or near my entry, and then price just came and stopped me because my stop loss was somewhere here and just stopped me out. So I was like, okay, it is what it is. As long as my risk to reward is good and I'm still able to trade the next day, then my next trade will make sure that I make up for my losses and then some. So it's okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. So yeah, I guess I shouldn't have traded nasdaq, but it's fine. It is what it is at this point. Actually, let me put that long position back again, because I know the price is gonna hit this. I have a feeling it's gonna hit this. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Then I guess price is just gonna reverse. Where's the next level of buyers? Here. So we'll just see how price plays out, because now it's supposed to keep moving up. It's not supposed to be doing this. So I'll just see based off what price does. Just experiment a bit and just see what price wants to do actually. And then yeah. Any words or wise words? Like, it was just another day at work. Honestly, I just wanted to get out of there, if I'm being honest. But I'm back home now, back at the spot, and yeah, I need to still go through my journal and see what I need to learn and how far I've come. And then I'll make a video on that. I'll probably make it this weekend, if I'm being honest. Seeing that I have more time over the weekend, because during the week, unless I finish this one thing that I gotta finish, and then I'll get onto that maybe. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. I don't think it'd be a problem, but it's fine. Yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna sign out. Gotta work on these videos, man. Yeah, we locked in, bro. It's November. Gotta stay locked in. Gotta keep the momentum going. Back to basics. Back to reality and back home. So yeah, nothing else I can say. Anyway, yeah, that's it for me. Bye.